Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use the Kraken app, deposit, trade, and withdraw successfully. Make sure to watch the video until the end, not to miss any important details, like and subscribe. So let's start with depositing. To deposit any of your cryptocurrency, all you have to do is click on the deposit button on the bottom left section. And from here you can select whichever asset you might want, even from cash to all cryptocurrency options such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, or anything else. And then from here you can select whatever network or blockchain that you want it to be transferred on. Each one will determine how much fees and time it will take for it to reach your currency. Then from there you're going to select I understand, and then you're going to copy this address to whatever wallet you would want it to be deposited in. But if you don't have any other previous cryptocurrency and you want to buy some fresh brand new, then all you have to do is click on the X button on the top right section. And then once you exit it, you're going to go to buy crypto, which is going to be in the bottom right section right here. Once you do buy crypto, all you have to do is enter whatever currency you might want to use after you select whatever popular asset that you would want to buy. So for example, Dogecoin. And then from here, all you have to do is select however much of Dogecoin you would want to buy, and then select your payment method, either from Google Pay or any of your credit cards. And then that's how you deposit cryptocurrencies into your wallet. Now for the trading and the withdrawal, all you have to do is click on the bottom right section where you see the sign that says Kraken. And this is going to be their own separate application where you can do all the steps with their cryptocurrencies in your wallet to and from outside your wallet. Check out Kraken, and once you do that, you're going to open the app. It might send you to the Google Play or the App Store where you have to download it and then sign in with the same information that you used for your Kraken application. Once you do that, as you can see, once you scroll right, you will see your Kraken balance right here. So all you have to do is click on it and check whatever balance that you might have. And so you can click on the transfer button where you can transfer it from your Kraken account to any other currency. And then from here, if you want to request with it or you're going to trade and withdraw, then all you have to do is click on the plus button in the middle. And as you can see, you have multiple options from deposit to withdraw to converting or selling. And so if you would like to withdraw it finally, then you click on the withdraw button and you get two options, either with cash or with crypto. So if you would like to withdraw it to your bank account, then all you have to do is click on withdraw cash. And so once you make a deposit and you have cryptocurrencies on your app, it will ask you for the IBAN number for the bank account. It will verify your identity, which will take around half an hour. And that's pretty much it. Once you click on send, it will send it directly after you sell it. And to sell it, all you have to do is click on the plus sign, and then you're going to sell your cryptocurrency. And then from that, you're going to select whatever asset and then whatever currency such as USD, Euro, or British pounds. And that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.